一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, what's up, everyone? It's time for Practical Hakka on ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. Hey, this month we're teaching you a phrase that is so simple that we use quite often, and that is if. If. 如果啦，哈。如果客语怎么说呢？那嘿，好多事情说，如果可以这样会怎么样？如果我可以中个奖多好！
哇，那你要请客。
是啊，这个如果你中了100万啊，你会怎么用？我们来蕊一下这样的一个情景。
好多想法
All right, let's say you actually hit the jackpot of a lottery, for instance, and you have $1 million. What do you want to do with it? Okay, let's put you in this situation. 你如果中100万，你想怎么用？ If you hit $1 million, what would you do with it?
那嘿，出100万，
出100万，
想用办用
，OK， 我听到那个100万了，100万
，100万
，100万，
对，100万
，That's $1 million right there, or 1 million actually.
用办用怎么用
？Oh, that phrase means how would you use it? 用办用。
那嘿出100万。想用办用
OK，
我客家妹我一定存起来
应该要啊，人家说中乐透的都7年就把它花光了，
真的
对啊，所以还是存起来比较实用啊。
对啊
OK, I would save it. How about you? OK, 我会存起来，你呢？
我会嘟起来，
我会嘟起来。
呢，
就是你呢 ，right? Okay, that means you. How about you? But I would save it. 你说存是嘟 means save. Now it's good to save, but at the same time, maybe you want to use the money to go around the world. 其实有时候还是拿一笔出来，先去环游世界嘛，对不对？
不然平常也没有那个时间，也没有那个金钱哦。
So let's go around the world. 我要去环游世界。
我要去环游世界。环游世界
That means around the world, travel around the world. I love it. 真的很想中这个100万哦，希望我们多聊就会多有机会，好不好？
那你就赶快一直去睡觉，然后你就会做梦，你就会梦到100万。
100万怎么说呢？1 million.
100
万，然後存 to save do and then 環遊世界叫 travel around the world
環遊世界
and it's all about if it's a big if I know 如果怎麼說那嘿 and now you know that does it for today's practical Hakka
什麼大家
俺是誰張來了
客家風情由客家委員會監製
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.